In this video, I will guide you on how to use Netflix household verification bypass trick. Netflix checks household status via the primary router IP address, specifically enforcing blocks on dedicated streaming devices like smart TVs, Rokus, and Fire Sticks. So to bypass this, you can use the offline glitch, which is best for mobile and tablets. First, you want to force stop your Netflix application. For that, you can exit out of the Netflix app, then swipe it off of your app switcher, or you can also long press on it, tap on this app info icon, then tap on the option of force stop, then tap on OK. While you're on this settings, you want to tap on storage, tap on that. Now tap on clear cache. Now you want to turn on the flight mode. Once that is done, open the Netflix app. Now it will successfully load straight past the verification gate to your user profile. Then select page or downloaded content page. After that, you can re-enable your Wi-Fi or mobile data by simply turning off the flight mode. Once you do that, restore your connection and you should be able to access it over there. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.